Counter steer, you're not counter steering. Counter steer, you'll feel the bike tip. Why don't you take 2 laps? Just try it out.
Sure.
You need to push a little more. Okay. Put your body out. Push your shoulder out. Push your butt against the seat as far as possible. Okay, your butt is on the rear seat. Okay. Now, when you're getting into a corner, this is what I want you to do.
Okay.
I'm not asking you to put your butt out.
Okay.
Forget about your butt right
I'm taking
now.
a
If you're taking the right, so you're taking this corner. This is what I want you to do.
All right. How was I doing it?
What you're doing is that.
Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah.
Alright, I want you to do this. Getting into the corner, do this.
Fine.
Okay. And counter steer. You're not counter steering. Counter steer, you'll feel the bike tip. Why don't you take 2 laps? Just try it out.
Sure.
Jason, hold his bike. That's your position. Move back. Cool. Okay? That's your position now. Now when you're leaning into a corner, say you're going right. How are you doing it?
Right.
You're going right.
Yeah.
You're doing it wrong.
Okay.
Okay? Kiss your handlebar. Lean out more.
No.
That's your turn.
Okay.
Now when you're going left, how do you do it? Kiss your handlebar. There. Go.
Okay.
What happened? Where are you from?
I just I'm tired now. So here's Amy after the track day with a scraped foot peg. I lost some traction on the track. Scraped the foot peg. I was almost about to crash. That was good. Chicken strips 0, and that is the tire with like 4 punctures last night. Thank goodness it held down, and let me finish the track day at least. Finally happy to be on the track with my baby. That was a good track day. I wish someday I would like to ride on one of these, the 390s.